Hi guys, hope you all are fine. I am just here to convey a message that I lost my job. It's hard to believe, but I just want to say I lost my job. And first of all, I thought that I am not going to share this with anyone except my family and closed ones, but I thought that I should share this with my audience and all the well-wishers, so so that you will come to know the reality. You will come to know what we have to go through when it comes to the real world. So please, I just want that please watch this video until the end, because whatever I want to say I have written in this diary. And please listen this video until the end. Please listen to this. So people might think that I lost my job because of the loss of business in this pandemic, but that's not the actual reason. Trust me, that's not the actual reason. So suppose a situation when someone from your family, someone from your country is working with you, and the sword of, जब तलवार उसके ऊपर लटक रही है उसकी जॉब जाने के लिए, when the sword of losing job is hanging on the top of that person, of course you will save that person first. आप उसको ही पहले बचाओगे. Same happened with me. Exactly same happened with me. My ex-boss did exactly same. He saved his people, and also to those who are licking his balls always. So I was the one who used to talk with him if something wrong is happening, or if some inequality is happening inside the restaurant. So this was the best time for him to remove me in the shadow of COVID-19. My name was not written in the list of that termination list came up. I also have the screenshot. I don't want to share that. So my name was not there in the list. And I think, when you work for any organization for almost 3 years, more than 3 years, then you think your position is stable, then you think you are safe in any difficult situation. But what will happen when it comes to your family member is standing in front of the loyalty, in front of the honesty. I was the honest, I was loyal, and whatever I felt I used to tell to him. But this is what I got in return. So also, as a pre-opening member, you have to show a lot of patience, lot of hard work to build any organization. This is what you require as a pre-opening member of any organization, and I did everything for that organization. But you have to go. A moment come when you have to go, and not because you have something less, or you are less educated, or you don't understand anything, but you have to go. Why? Because of country politics, because of nepotism, because of lobbyness. I did everything for that person. I did everything. But in return, I got this. Even when the business comes back, he didn't even call me. Instead of me, he called someone else who have less experience, who recently joined the restaurant, and not me, who worked with him in the difficult situation and also worked with him for so long time. This is what I deserve? No, right? even when I sent him text regarding the recommendation letter or the appraisal, because I worked with him so long, and I am not going to say that I worked very great or I did something exceptional, but I did my best for that person. I did best for that organization. But this is what I got in return. He didn't even replied me back for that message. I also have the screenshot of this message, but I don't want to share anything because this will, make the matter more worse. I was expecting at least a recommendation letter or a appraisal, but that also didn't happen. This is the way to treat your employees who are leaving you not because of lack of their skills or communication, but because of your, because of the politics, because of your favoritism towards someone else. It's very, very, very hard for me to digest this, that the value which you have been given are not being taken care of. जो आपको एक वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद, वो वैल्यू आपको नहीं मिलती तो आपको दुख होता है. This pain will remain with me until I reach somewhere in better position. I have to, show something that, I can do better. I have to do better because this is the way I can take the revenge from this situation, what happened with me. So I have to do something better. And I don't know how long it will take for me to recover from this. This situation gave the wound inside my heart, and which will take long time for me to recover because I never expected this thing. If you are, losing your job because of something like genuinely, like business has gone or something, but when you come to know that this is the reality, what you will say? So I have faith on my God. You can listen the azan also. God is listening to me. So I have the faith on my God. I have the faith with the management who worked with me, with whom I worked, that I will get justice and I will do something better in my life. I just want to say that I worked with one of the greatest company in the hospitality industry. It's because of one person that, something bitter happened at the end. The ending was bitter, but I worked with really good company. I am disappointed with the situation, but I am not disappointed from my life. It's been quite long I am not working and I am desperately looking for job, because a person who is working from last 5 years, it is very hard for that person to sit back at home. I have to take care of myself. I am 26-year-old now. I have to take the responsibility of my family as well as soon as possible. Currently, I am not doing anything for them, but I have to do something for them as well. So I hope everything will be better. So guys, I just want everyone to pray for me, everyone. Those who are watching this video, please pray for me that I will do something better in my life, and see you guys some other day in some other video. But for now, thank you. Peace.